Hiya Charas, Misha Jamie o Let's Learn Irish, and in this video we're going to learn how to say did you like or enjoy that, and then the positive response that you would give. So did you like that? The verb we would use is bain. So bhain tú taitneamh as sin, and the reply would be bhain mé taitneamh as sin. I really like that. So bhain tú taitneamh as sin, did you enjoy that? Bhain mé taitneamh as sin. I really enjoyed that. And again, did you enjoy that? The verb is bain, so bhain tú taitneamh as sin, and the reply would be bhain mé taitneamh as sin. I really enjoyed that, or I really liked that. And again, for the final time, bhain tú taitneamh as sin, and the reply, bhain mé taitneamh as sin. Did you enjoy that? I really enjoyed that. For more Irish, please visit the Irish language community at letslearnirish.com. Ó mór a chara.